Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful pet supply layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the pet supply layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. As you can notice, there are some high quality images included, which are highly relevant to this layout pack, some custom backgrounds as well, and just the overall look and feel of this layout pack is playful but really professional at the same time. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. Now over here you will find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the most recent layout pack, which is the pet supply layout pack over here. So if you click on it, you will be able to see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. So this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually installing it on your website first. So say for instance you really enjoyed the landing page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now, as soon as you add a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here, we have all of our different layout packs again. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Pet Supply layout pack. Select your layout of choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's features, for instance the global presets one. So over here, if you want to make changes to one of these blurb modules over here, but you want those changes to apply to each one of the blurbs, you can create a new preset. So over here we have opened the settings of the first blurb module, and we're going to increase the size of the title to 24 pixels, and we're going to create a new preset by clicking on create new preset from current styles. We'll give it a name. Now if we reset the styles of this module over here, the preset will still be applied to it. Now we can reset the module styles of the two other blurb modules, then open each one of them, and at the top we can assign the preset that we've created. Let's do the same for the last one over here. And now if I make changes to my preset over here by clicking on this icon, and if I go to the title text settings over here, and if I play around with this, we'll be able to see the changes unfold across all of the blurb modules that have this preset assigned to it. So you will be able to visually see all of the changes happen throughout your page design. So go ahead and play around with all of Divi's built-in options and features, and also the global presets, and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.